Cosie, where are we going?
Aquarium. The fish son and David and
Big hug. Come here. Come sit down. If you didn't understand that, we are going to the aquarium here in Draper, Utah.
Go. It was shot. Do it.
Oh no! Is it gonna bite you?
Yeah.
Oh no, your finger.
Yeah.
You're gonna give it a big hug?
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna get some passes so we can go all the time because it's just down the street.
Hi.
Nick's getting ready. He's always the last to be ready. I got 2 kids ready and myself ready. He's still getting ready. Come on, baby. Desmond is such a good walker now. Come on.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Run. Come on.
What is that? What is that? Look at Mama. Tell me what it is. What's in there? Look at this. Look right there. Can you touch it? Look at that. There he goes. Whoa.
On our way to Utah right now. We're in Moab. We just stopped at McDonald's and we come out and a bird poked a hole through my ice chest. It's made out of styrofoam.
Hi, baby. Hey.
Where are you? Are you at the pool? You won't fall down. You got a life jacket on. Is that fun? You have to kick. Kick. Good job. You're so brave. Cosie, say, I'm brave. I'm brave. You're doing so. You can stand up. Stand up. Good job. hold your breath? Go under the water.
You weirdo. You weirdo! Yeah, welcome! That's the new voice that I'm working on. Blue's Clues mailbox. George, look at that thing!